Look at this one. Hasn't been done in a couple of years. I'd say 2, maybe even 3 years this one here hasn't been done. Look how long that is compared to here, the neighbor. So we did this one last fall. That one looks really good. So we'll come in here, fix this all up. I'll go back and I'll show you guys what's going on here. See the one over my shoulder here, it looks all nice. We do that one in the fall. That's always a nice one to do. Big job, really high. This place here, neighbors changed. New neighbors they bought a couple years ago, 2, 3 years ago. I'll show you guys what the difference is when it's done and not done. Look at that. You see that? Look how long that is. And these hedges used to be the same, both neighbors, because we used to do them both at the same time. So it's been at least 3 years. Look at that. So that's what you could say before and after. Not very nice stuff here. I'll show you guys around out back what it looks like. All right, I'll show you guys here. Let me get down in the back here to show you guys. Ça va bien? All right, so you see how this goes here? We're still early in the season, that's why the pools are closed. Okay, look at how long that is. Really long stuff. Look at how long that is. Mike's coming up through here. Look at that, how he's fixing that up. Fixing that up really nice. All right, we just finished this up here. I'll show you guys. Nice job here. Hadn't been done in 3 years. New people bought it 3 years ago and haven't done it. See this one in front here, we did last fall. It's the one down here on the left. We had quite a bit to take off here. Look at all the hedge on the ground. That looks good. That's all done. There's a nice corridor here. This is so you can cut through from this little part of town and you can cut through, go over towards the mall. People like to take walks and stuff. The mall here is over on the other side. Oh, about 1.5 miles away. All right, let's look over here and see what it looks like. Hasn't started raining yet. Look at that. That come out really good. For how much we had to take off, I showed you guys a little bit before and after. You can hardly tell where the difference is. Hardly tell. Looks really good. Client's happy with that. All right, we'll go look here. On this side, we'll go down by the pool. See the top on this side here, we done last fall. We did really late in the season when we did the neighbor. So that kind of saved us on this one. We didn't have to do a top there, but we did over here. Look at that. Come out really good. There's a lot of hedge though, a lot of hedge. Look how it's almost brownish yellow now. Line's good, line looks really good. Look at that, looks really good up there. Looks really good. All right, Off to the next one, you guys. All right, what we got going on here is the client here gave the job out. And the people that took the job last fall couldn't do the tops. They weren't equipped to do stuff like that. So we're gonna put the vans in here, we're gonna do the tops. Sometimes you get some smaller businesses that take a little too much with stuff they can't do. So we're gonna fix these up. Look, you see how they, look at the top there, how that doesn't look good. But that's with the boom, it goes really well. Guys will just spin her up there and I don't know why the guy, he said, I don't want to do out back here because of the wires. The wires are way up there. I said, we'll fix it up for you then. Yeah, because the guy did the small little hedges out front and he did this little part there, but he didn't want to do this. So we got a call and I said, well, we'll fix it up for you. Don't worry about that. All right. So let's get this all started here, fix it all up, and then I'll show you guys once we get it done. When you're not equipped to do the job, you shouldn't be taking those contracts. Just saying. When you're not equipped to do them, you shouldn't take them. Hopefully he didn't charge the guy full price, whatever his price was. Really rough stuff here. I'll show you guys how wet it is. The hedges are right in the water. That's why they don't grow. And look at this. Look how awful that is. That is awful. They're sitting in water. Yeah, like I said, don't ever take contracts if you can't do them. All right, you guys. On to the next one.